For the next step we are going to need dental floss for the ends of our two streaks, here and here. Okay, this streak has to go in there so that we get the classic swirl front that we know. And then we are going to wrap this streak counterclockwise and then we also need a needle to put it in her ponytail. Okay, so let's start and see if it works the way I want it to. The floss serves me here as something to pull on, that I can pull the streak in her ponytail. I'm going to remove it, of course, when I'm ready. Okay, and we have to pull here. So that this thing goes in here. Right. What we can also do is to use a second rubber band, make the hairstyle and then remove the first one, which is much easier than you might think. And then it's much easier to do any corrections with the style. Okay, but I have to check my hairstyle. Almost done. The last thing missing is this little streak here, and we have to wrap it counterclockwise around her hair to make her ponytail, rubber band holder, whatever disappear, and we keep it here on under her ponytail, and then we use a needle and pull it through so that this end goes in her ponytail. But I think I'm going to use a shorter needle for this. Ich hebe das ein bisschen hoch. I just lift it up a bit because my rubber bands are very tight. Meine Gummibänder sind ziemlich eng, sonst komme ich da nicht durch. Move that thing through and then yeah, wir sind fertig. We are done. That's the ponytail swirl restoration so far. This has still to dry. Das hier muss noch trocknen. Und wenn es trocken ist, dann kämme ich sie vielleicht morgen noch mal schnell durch, dass es auch wirklich schön aussieht. Da kann man noch ein bisschen dran arbeiten. You can still work on it a little bit, but we're done in 99%. Also wir sind zu 99% fertig. It looks like this at the moment, because I have two rubber bands under the ponytail. You see it a little bit, but most part of it is hidden. Yay! Finally. Endlich!